Delhi plans to shut down its T2 terminal just because of fall in people traveling. Similarly, Maldives bans travelers from India as well as South Africa. Even Dubai has banned people traveling from India. So there is nowhere that people can travel from India. So COVID is there everywhere, and in India we don't have to think about anything else other than COVID. Welcome to Stock Market Institute Market Wrap-Up. This is Kishore here. The markets were down today as predicted yesterday. Sensex went down by 471.01 points and it closed at 48,690.80 points, and Nifty closed at 14,696.50 and the same is down by 154.25 points. The downfall mainly was dragged by the metals. Apart from this, ICMR, that is Indian Council for Medical Research, recommends 6 to 8 weeks for the cities wherever they were 10% or more testing positive for the COVID-19, so that everything comes and falls in a particular place where we can control things. So this is what the recommendation is, but however we need to see whether the government will take it up or no. Apart from this, COVID-19 vaccination for 2 to 18 years is what the government is thinking next, wherein Covaxin is what the clinical trials are under progress, and this is the main vaccination that everybody is recommending. If this happens, Bharat Biotech is one of the good companies which you can think about investing. Apart from this, India's projected growth would be around 10.1% for 2022, but 2021 looks highly fragile is what United Nations say. With this also, India still is the second fastest growing economy in the world. Apart from this, US looking at jointly producing Johnson & Johnson single dose COVID-19 vaccination with Serum Institute of India, and they are also thinking about AstraZeneca getting manufactured with one of the local pharmaceutical company in India, so that it can reach more countries and more places. They basically want scale and they want somebody who can produce it for them. So these are the two vaccinations that US is thinking about doing with some of the Indian companies. US users can send money to India and Singapore with Google Pay. So there are a lot of payment apps or payment gateways that are there, but Google Pay has gone more aggressive. They have joined hands with Wise and Western Union, and they have integrated them on Google Pay. So now you don't have to worry about remitting money through bank or through online medium. You can just use Google Pay and remit money to your loved ones if you are staying in USA and want to do it to India or Singapore. Apart from this, the top gainer for the day was Tata Motors, which went up by 3.31% and the same closed at 326 rupees. The top loser for the day again was the Tata company, Tata Steel, which went down by 4.44% and the same closed at 1179.15. Gold is more or less flat today. It has gone up by 14 rupees for every 10 grams and the same is trading at 47,647. Silver has gone down today by 400 rupees for every 1 kilo and the same is trading at 71,529 rupees. USD has gone up by 7 paise. It's trading at 74 rupee 29 paise. Euro has gone down by 20 paise and the same is trading at 89 rupee 30 paise. Crude has gone up today by 32 rupees and the same is trading at 4,832 rupees. There is no surprise. In India also, both petrol as well as diesel has gone up by 26 paise. Election was the only thing that was holding on to it. Now that election is got over, government is increasing it on everyday basis. So a lot of small cities in India where they still use the conventional fueling machines don't have 100 in their reading meter. So there is where the problem is. So we have to see how is that they would cope up with all these things. The technical charts, however, is not still giving us any indication. So let's not get into positivity thing. Let's look at opportunity and buy companies which are of value. So do like and subscribe the channel and share the videos amongst your friends so that more people get to learn and they can earn. Be safe, take care.